What's up guys, welcome back. It's another video. In this video, I will show you how to change Roblox account location. So you might be wondering how to exactly change your location in your Roblox account. Well, this one actually depends on your account. Now, what we need to do is you want to go to roblox.com, just log it into your account, and you want to go and click on the gear icon at the top right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go to settings. Now under settings, what we need to do is you want to go to your account settings. So usually in here, so account info. Now, if you scroll down a bit here, you should see a section here that says account location. Now, the thing with account locations here, they are automatically set for you. So, meaning when where you are when you created your account is going to be the default location for your account here. But in some cases, other accounts here actually have the option to change their location. So if you do have that option, you can just click on it and just update your location via that way. But in some cases, if you don't have that option here, like what I do, well, what you need to do is you need to reach out to support because you need to get assistance on getting this updated. So what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down to the very bottom. You want to look for help. Go ahead and press or click on it. And you want to go ahead and access a very specific article here. So you want to go open up Roblox account. And on the Roblox account, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here. And as you can see, there's a lot here. You want to go to see all articles for or under the account settings here. Click on see all 14 articles. Scroll down a bit here and you want to look for the option for account location. Let's go and press on it. Now what we need to do next is you want to go and scroll to the section here that says support form. So if you would like to submit a request to change your account location, please contact Roblox customer support through their support form. Let's go and press on it to access their support form. Now from here, what we need to do is we just need to fill out the necessary details like your contact information. So go ahead and just fill that up. But for the issue details here, you need to change this to very specific ones. Like for example, where are you playing right now? Either PC, Mac, Chromebook, iPhone. So in my case, I'm going to choose PC. Now for the category here, you want to go ahead and scroll down a bit here. Look for how to. And you want to go to subcategory type. I want to choose the option here that says change my location. Now from here, you can just quickly describe that you need assistance on updating your location. But once you've added your current issue right now, describe it for them. You can go and click on continue to submit your request here. And you just need to reach basically monitor your account here either via email or via notification here and see if they actually are able to help you. And also, by the way, you may want to indicate here which country you want to change your account location is going to be. Now, it's best that you set this to your actual current location here so that you don't have or you won't have to ask them to change it again. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.